So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can do copy trading in your Bitget account. So guys, if you want to do copy trading but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So guys, in order to do copy trading, you just need to go ahead and scroll all the way down and find futures. So futures is right under products over here, like buy crypto, spots and futures. So once you find it, tap over here and you will be left to this page. And guys, this is your future trading page. So look at the top where you can find spot trading, futures trading, trading bots, copy trading, temp trading, trading info and pre-market. You need to go to copy trading, and now you can choose what type of copy trading that you want to do. You can either choose bot copy trading or futures copy trading or bot copy trading. So let's say you choose the select second one. Now on this page, so guys, just select the trader that you want to copy. So let's go ahead, I want to copy him. I'm just going to tap on copy. It says here that in order to copy trade, you just need to verify your KYC, which includes government issued documents and face authentication. So make sure you do that. Just go ahead and tap on verify, and through this you would successfully be able to do copy trading. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.